Next, how to find lone pair of electrons. So this chart, you remember, group number is number 1A is a lithium, and second A is a beryllium family, third A is a boron family, fourth A carbon family, fifth A nitrogen family, sixth A oxygen family, seventh A halogen family, and noble gases are 8A family. So here the last electron I have written 2s1. So the valency is 1. And here it is 2s2, last electronic configuration, 2s2, 2s2, 2p1. So this is 3. 2s2, 2p2, the valency is 4. And 2s2, 2p3, the valency is 5. 2s2, 2p4, valency is 6. 2s2, 2p5, valency is 7. 2s2, 2p6, valency is 8. So here the thing is, valence electron and valency is different. Valence electron, the outermost shell electron, up to 1 to 4 group, as it is the group, and the valence electrons are same. But beyond the fifth group, beyond fourth group, 5, 6, 7, 8 and all, you just number of 8, from the 8th number, you minus the particular number, group number. Nitrogen is 50A, means 8 minus 5, 3. That is valency. Then 8 minus 6 is equal to 2 is the valency for this oxygen. 8 minus 7 for halogen is 1 is the valency. 8 minus 8 is a 0 for the valency of the halogen, noble gases. So valence electrons are for lithium 1 electron, for beryllium 2 electron, for boron family, the whole family, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, it belongs to first year. Beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium, radium belongs to second year. Boron, aluminium, gallium, indium, thallium is a boron family. Full family having 3 valence electron. And carbon, silicon, germanium, tin, lead, all will have carry the plus 4 valence electron. Nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony, bismuth, all will carry 5 electrons. Oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium, polonium, all will carry 6 electrons, valence electron. Fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, astatine, all will carry 7 electrons. Neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon, all will carry 8 electrons. So this is full family it belongs to. So that is called valence electron. Number of electron in the valence shell is called valence electron. So that for lithium, the valency. For lithium, the valence electron is 1. For beryllium family, valence electron is 2. For boron family, valence electron is 3. For carbon family, valence electron is 4. For nitrogen family, valence electron is 5. For oxygen family, valence electron is 6. For fluorine, valence electron is 7. For neon, valence electron is 8. Now let us see valency. So valency is nothing but involved in the chemical bonding. Up to 1 to 4 group, it is considered as a valency. No change in the valency and valence electron. No change in the valency as well as in the valence electron in a first year group, second year group, third year group, fourth year group. But in case of fifth, 8 minus 5, 3. So that is the valency of the nitrogen family. 8 minus 6 is equal to 2 is the valency of oxygen family. 8 minus 7 is equal to 1 is the valency of halogen family. 8 minus 8 is equal to 0 is the valency of the noble gases. So easy to remember this chart. Remember the flow chart and find the valence electron of the central metal atom. Valency of surrounding atoms, combining power of element is for oxygen 2, for hydrogen 1. Combining power. So now one shot to find the bond pair and lone pair. How to find the bond pair and lone pair? This is a trick to you to find out. Already I have discussed you, that is first year group, valence electron is 1, second year group 2, third year group 3, fourth year group 4, fifth year group 5 electrons, 6th year group 6 electrons, 7th year group 7 electrons, 8th year group 8 electrons. No change in the group number is equal to valency electron. But valency 1 to 4 group, valence electron, valency are same. But from 5 to 8, subtract that number of group from 8. So you will get a valency. So 3 is the valency, 2, 1, 0 is the valency of 5A, 6A, 7A and 8A group. Let us see the example. First one, PCl3. P is the central atom. Phosphorus is the valence electron. So that valence electron, that phosphorus is belongs to nitrogen family. It is a 50A group. So group number is 5. So valence electron also 5. So group number 5, the valence electron 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So chlorine valency is 1. So combining power is only 1. 1 electron is taken, 1, 2, 3 chlorine is combined, left out 2 electrons. That is called lone pair. It is considered as a lone pair. This is called bond pair, bond pair, bond pair. So it has 3 bond pair and 1 lone pair. Next, ClF3. Chlorine is a group number 7. So the valence electron is 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So combined by 3 fluorine. So 1 fluorine, 2nd fluorine, 3rd fluorine. So this is called bond pair. So what bond pair, 1 bond pair, 2nd bond pair, 3rd bond pair. So left out, this is 1 lone pair and this is another lone pair. So it has a 3 bond pair and 2 lone pair. Then next comes under water, H2O, oxygen. Oxygen group number is 6. The valence electron is 6 because it is belongs to 60A group. So here oxygen valence electron is valence electron. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 electrons. Hydrogen is combined by 2. So that combining power of hydrogen is only 1, 1 and 2. So 2 bond pair and 2 lone pair. So it has a 2 bond pair and a 2 lone pair is present in water. Next example, I3 minus. You choose the right like this, I single bond I, the whole raised to the power minus 1. So central atom is iodine. Iodine belongs to 7th group, 7th A group. So valence electron is 7. So group number, 7, it has a valence 7 valence electron. So I write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here I minus we have written, so we have added 1 electron. So here combining 1 iodine, another iodine. So 2 bond pair, it left out 1 lone pair. This is 2nd lone pair, this is 3rd lone pair. So 2 bond pair and 3 lone pair. This is the quickest method to find out the bond pair and a lone pair. Next example, SO4 2 minus sulfur. Sulfur group number 6, oxygen family. The valence electron is 6, same 6 electron. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 electrons. It is raised to the power is charges 2 minus. So 2 electron extra is added. So here oxygen combining power is 2 because the valency of the oxygen is 2. So what here 2 electron is taken out by 1 oxygen. The next 2 electron is taken out by 1 oxygen. Another next 2 electron is taken out by another 3rd oxygen. Then last 2 electron is taken out by 4th oxygen. So what? There is no lone pair at all. So only we have a 4 sigma bonds and no lone pair. That is bond pair. Next, NH4 plus nitrogen belongs to 50A group. So valence electron is 5. So there is charges plus. So we should remove 1 electron. First you write 5 electrons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Remove the last one because after minus 1 electron only it becomes plus. So now it is remaining 4 electrons only. 4 hydrogen is combined. The combining power is only 1 for hydrogen. So 1, 2 and 3 and 4. There is no lone pair at all. So that is 4 bond pair and no lone pair. Another example, BF3, boron. Valency is a valence electron is 3 because it is belongs to 3rd A group. So only 3 electrons are there. It is a neutral. So plus 1, 2, 3. The combining power of fluorine is only 1. So 1, 2, 3 fluorine is combined. So it has a 3 bond pair. There is no lone pair. Another example, XeO3. So here Xe, valence electron is 8 because it belongs to noble gases, 8A group. The oxygen valency is 2, so that is a combining power of oxygen is 2. So one oxygen takes 2 electrons, like that 3 oxygen takes a 6 electrons, and then pair of electrons. So left out one lone pair. So it has a 3 bond pairs and 1 lone pair electrons. XeOF4, xenon valence electron is equal to 8. Valency of fluorine is 1 and valency of oxygen is 2. So combining power of fluorine is only 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 fluorine is combined with the 4 electrons, and 1 oxygen is taken out the 2 electrons and left out 1 lone pair of electrons. So it has a 5 sigma bond and 1 lone pair of electrons. Next example, ICl2 minus. I is the valence electron is equal to 7. So the charge of the electron is minus 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 1. 8th electron is added, extra electron. So combining power of chlorine is only 1. So 1 and 2. So it left out the 3 lone pair of electrons. So 1 lone pair and second lone pair and third lone pair. It has a 3 lone pair, 2 bond pair and a 3 lone pair electrons. So I have given a maximum examples to you to learn. Whatever the question will be asked in exam, definitely you will score the marks. Follow the tricks and techniques. Test yourself. I have given a small test to you to find maximum number of lone pair as well as bond pair in the following: XeF2, XeF4 and XeF6. You follow the rules and then you check out the answer solutions I have given to you. You check out it. So thanks for watching, students. Thank you.